Namamsi. My name is Shubha and you are watching Tattvam YouTube channel. This is the Varnamala series. In this series, I teach how to pronounce Samskritam sounds correctly, and I also teach how to read and write the Devanagari script. Apart from this, I also give lot of information and fascinating facts about the Samskritam sounds in order to make your learning more stronger. So please do subscribe to Tattvam and click the bell icon so that you stay updated with all my videos. In this video, we will look at the KaraNam. KaraNam is the position of the tongue while producing a certain sound. So there are three KaraNams. First, it says Talusthanaha Madhyena. So the Talu you already know, it is the hard palate. The Madhyena refers to the middle part of the tongue. The middle part of the tongue comes in contact with the talu or comes close to the talu, then the talavya sounds are produced. We had seen in the previous video, the talavya sounds are I, cha cha ja ja nya, ya and sh. So these sounds are produced when the middle part of the tongue touches the hard palate or comes close to the hard palate. Now just pronounce these sounds and observe. In the previous video we just observed the place of origin of the sound. Now observe the place of origin of the sound along with the position of the tongue. So I, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. So the middle part of the tongue only is doing the work now. And also ya, sh. Second is Murdhanyaha Prativeshtyagram. Murdhanyaha sounds are produced by the agram, that is the front portion of the tongue. But what kind of agram? Prativeshtyagram, that is the curled front portion of the tongue produces these murdhanyas. We have already seen that murdhanya sounds are r, tathadadana, ra and this sh. That is, when the curled tip of the tongue touches the roof, then the murdhanya sounds are produced. The next is Jihvagra karanaha dantyaha. Jihvagra is the tip of the tongue. When the tip of the tongue touches the teeth, then the dantya sounds are produced. The dantyaha are l, the vowel l, tathadadhana and l, and also s. So now observe the position of the tongue and also the place where the sound is coming while pronouncing l, ta, tha, da, dha, na, l, s. Now that you know the sthanam and the karanam, let us keep this in mind and see the difference in the pronunciation of sh, sh and s. I hope this video was of use to you. If it was, then please let me know by commenting below and also by liking and sharing and subscribing to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified when I add new videos. Dhanyavadaha. Agrima video madhye punarmilami. Namaste.